Oh my god, it is so fucking foggy, bro. I can't see it, bro. Lights ain't even working. Shit. Like, it's that power steer, bro. Loving this shit. I gotta talk to him more. He got rear mirrors working. I don't know if you see that, but I saw him driving in the video. Rear mirror had a reflection of the gap. Like that for all cars? That's what I gotta talk to him about. I gotta see what's good with that. Oh, I'm crashing. Oh no, I'm good. I was lagging. Pretty careful. Ooh. Too much traffic. You know, stay away from this light like pedestrians. Damn! I think it's going the wrong way. Yes, I think so. The only thing I hate about these paddle shifters is when I'm trying to go to reverse really quick, it'll go to neutral and then back to first while I'm hitting. That automatic does. Almost first. Automatic first? Oh, maybe. Might be why. How am I still on the bridge? How am I still on the bridge? The vision I saw was wild. Wild. Well, I was the first person with that shit. You gotta record it. I'm so glad they got it recorded. And it's one of the rare times I played in third person, so I saw we saw everything. Good, I feel it. Oh, why is traffic wilding? Hold on. Look out for that. Oh, I don't have my dash lights on. Like traffic block, I got boxed in, bro. I got semi trucks cutting each other off, they checking each other, and I'm cutting oh, there you go. I wanted to go off the It is so fucking foggy, I can't see in front of me. I gotta add the fog thing. Yeah, it's dope. Oh! It is gridlock, bro. I have a low power city. Go on. Yo, hold on, I gotta take you on a different route. Yo, you disappear in the fog, that's crazy. Oh, lovely. Why are there people just, yo, that look like some fucking, horrible shit just now. Bad foggy, NPCs just standing in the streets, cars are driving by. Like, horrible setup. There goes another one. Yo, the guy just parked. Yo, bro, I was smacked into you. Yo, NPCs just in the streets, dude. Server's looking out.